Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we will study Class 11, Subject English, Textbook, Hornbill, Lesson 2, Summary, a photograph, poem, Part 1. Children, this poem is written by Shirley Tolson. Students, sometimes you take photos, your friends, your parents also take photos. Why we take photos? Children, photos are taken to capture moment of today and to create memories for a lifetime. So, this lesson is also based on a photograph. We will read about this in the summary of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Summary. In the poem, the poetess remembers her mother's memories. Here, the poetess describes a photograph of her mother's childhood. Word meaning remember, याद करना. Memories, यादें. Describe, वर्णन करना. Childhood, बचपन. This photograph shows 3 little girls standing in shallow water, paddling on sea beach. The oldest of the 3 is poetess mother. Word meaning show, दिखाना. Paddling, पानी में पैर मारना. She is nearly 12 years old. The other 2 are her mother's girl cousins. Each girl is holding one hand of poetess mother. Word meaning hold, पकड़ना. cousin, चचेरी बहन. They are smiling through their hair at the uncle who was taking the photograph. This shows that her mother had a sweet face. Word meaning hair, bal. It is the photograph of time when she went for a sea holiday with her two girl cousins. The sea washed their terribly transient feet. Word meaning holiday, छुट्टी, terribly भयानक, transient क्षणिक, feet पैर. The sea has not changed over the years, but the people who walked on its beach have changed terribly. Word meaning beach, समुद्र तट, walk, चलना. Some of them are already dead. This suggests that human life is transient and short-lived, whereas the sea is unchanged and permanent. Word meaning human, मानव, unchanged अपरिवर्तित, permanent स्थायी. The poetess mother has been dead for 12 years. The mother had lost the joy of her childhood, whereas the poetess had lost the laughter of her mother, who is now dead. Word meaning joy, खुशी, laughter, हंसी, dead, मृत. They tried hard to forget their losses and to get relief with great difficulty. Word meaning tried, प्रयास करना. Forget, भूलना. Relief, राहत. Difficulty, कठिनाई. So children, here poetess wants to say that human changes very fast, but nature changes very slowly. So children, summary is complete now. We will do question answers of this lesson in part 2. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.